Okay, doing the even problems here. -3 is going to distribute, and we'll get -3 times -3 is +9. -3 times -2k is +6k. And we have 3k equals 36. These are like terms on the same side, so they can be combined. Opposites, subtract 9. Divide by 9, because we're multiplying 9k. K is 3. Okay, number 4, I'm going to cross multiply. That gives me 6 times 2 and 5 times x plus 5. 5 distributes. And opposite of 25, divide by 5. X is -13 fifths. -13 fifths, 5 is going to go in there 2 times, and then, let's see, 2 and 3 fifths. So that is -2.6. Number 6 here, 10 is going to multiply. Greater than 120. Opposites. Divide by 10. K is greater than 14. It's going to be D. Okay, for here we have a math touchdown because it's just absolute value on the left. 9 you do not. You got to take care of that +4 first. So we're going to split it. -4 plus m equals 5. -4 plus m equals -5. Notice I'm changing this negative, or the +5 here, to a negative. Okay, solve each of those. Okay, so we get two answers, 9 and -1. On number 10, similar problem, but inequalities. So we do have math touchdown because it's just absolute value on the left. And notice that stays exactly the same. We just remove the absolute value, x plus 3 less than or equal to 2. On the right side, x plus 3, and now 2 changes. We're going to change it to greater than or equal to, and change the 2 to a -2. Okay, from there we're doing opposites. Okay, so two answers. X is less than -1, x is greater than or equal to -5. And if we wrote them all going the same way, -5 and x that way, so in other words, if this is less than or equal to, the x is eating, or the inequality is eating the x, so we're going to have it still eating the x, and notice we get those two. Okay, if we link those together, we get -5 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to -1. Okay, number 12, we are graphing. Remember, y equals mx plus b. I'll write it above there. So our m for the first one is -1/4. Our b is -3. We're going to go down 1, 2, 3, make a dot. And then our rise over run, down 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, connect those. This one here, our m is -7/4. Our b is 3, so b, that's where we begin our y-intercept, up 1, 2, 3. -7/4, that's down 1, 2. I'll make that a different color. It's going to be down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then +4, so over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they cross. Where do they cross? That's the solution to the system. They cross at the point 4, comma, negative 4. Okay, solving. This one's set up for substitution. We're going to substitute that in for y. 8x plus 3 instead of y now. We are going to have 3x plus 1. That 3 is going to distribute. Combine like terms on the left. And subtract 3. We get 17x equals 0. Divide by 17. X is 0. Is that a possible answer? Yes. But if we notice here, they have B has a x is 0, C has a x is 0. So we're going to plug that back in. So y equals 3 times 0 plus 1. Y equals 1. So the point is 0, comma 1. That's our answer, which is B. Okay, for 16, we're going to solve by elimination. We want exact opposites. Here we have exact opposites, positive 2y, negative 2y. So once you have that, you add down. Those will cancel. 4x minus 2x, we get 2x equals 16 minus 14. We get 2. Divided by 2. X equals 1. Now if I look at my answers, I have two possibles, right? I'm going to plug that back in. X is 1, I'm going to plug it there. That's 4 times 1 for my x, plus 2y equals 16. 4 plus 2y equals 16. We'll subtract 4. 2y equals 12 divided by 2. Y is 6. So 1 comma 6 is our answer. That's A. Okay, 18. We do not have exact opposites, meaning if this was 4x, we'd want a negative 4x. So if I want negative 4x on the bottom, I'm going to multiply by negative 2 to each term. Okay, the first equation was 4x plus 7y equals negative 2. When I multiply this negative 2, I'm going to get negative 4x minus 2y equals 12. Do I have exact opposites? Yes, those are exact opposites. Draw my line. Combine down. Let's cancel. We get 5y equals 10. Y is 2. And again, I do have two choices, so I'm going to have to plug it back in. Either equation works. Whoops. I'm going to plug into the top one. Top one is 4x plus 7 times y. We found y to be 2. So 4x plus 14 equals negative 2. Subtract 14. 4x equals negative 16. Divide by 4. X is negative 4. So negative 4, 2 is my answer. Oops, not that one. Negative 4, 2, this one. A.